He stuck up in the waves, you gon' fall, man.
Happy not happy.
Oh my god, that shit, nigga. Yeah. Hey, real though. I ran up that money so motherfucking high. Hey, I swear to God, I can stop rapping on. Nigga, I wouldn't give a fuck about what you think, bitch. I can't take the clean route on G, though they talk down on rich. Now this nigga, I can hit home. Push up out of cell block and fill up a arena. I'm turned up, you try and get your face blown. I'm smart on those, I pull up rolling on some eating shit. Know that I pick police, pull us over, bitch, get rid of it. Motherfuck them shows, I ain't leaving my home, bitch, I'm really rich. And I'm so caught up in my ways.
They pushed them. Knock.
What the fuck? Go to tweak and seem like got spam. So many places around this bitch, fuck you don't like what I'm saying. Silver in that lounge with that gang, we all two-toed. You start the shit on down, end it with the tools, bro. I was tryna buy a soul, but my bro stole it. Swipe so much into your rig, I think my card told. Yeah, fuck your lingo, how you bumming?
Komm mal, ich hab gerade 46 FPS.
I hear you coming in. Probably got my stick out with a big ass stack of honeys, nigga. But yeah, your stick out, we let 6 out when you turn, nigga. How you get them cars and all that jewelry, nigga? I don't know. How you spend that money and still got millions, nigga? I don't know. How you got all them bitches and don't want one, nigga? I don't know. Why you acting slow, nigga? Fuck it, get your chrome blow. Hey, why you been on some stupid shit with everybody on nigga, I don't know. Hey, why you feel like
oh my god.
Nigga, I don't know. Hey, I really do know, but I really don't know. But nigga, I don't know. I just roll the blood up and like a strong nigga. Pussy nigga say that you want smoke, then let your chrome blow. Bitch, stop all that hating, just gon' say something with your own phone. Jumping in that Maybach in my styrofoam. Red, I'm full of pills in my Bentley, who that is? All them bitches don't want nominated top, I don't want no. I'm from the streets, I got that guap. This shit I'm blessed for. Shit around my wrist, so get your pop, I get your step on. On the other end, I don't get that list doing 50. For sure. How you get them cars and all that jewelry, nigga? I don't know. How you spend that money and still got millions, nigga? I don't know. How you all them bitches and don't want one, nigga? I don't know. Why you acting slow, nigga? Fuck it, bitch, you can't take the clean route on G, though they talk down on rich. Now that nigga, I can't